Good morning, student. And today we are going to discuss chapter 11, mensuration exercise 11.3. In this chapter, we know how to find total surface area of cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, and lateral surface area, or you can say curved surface area of these solid shapes. So in this exercise 11.3, question number 1 है, there are two cuboidal boxes as the shown in the adjoining figures. You can see your book. So you can obtain the two figures of cuboidal boxes. Which box require the lesser amount of material to mix? So boxes in box A in the shape of cuboidal, whose length is 60 centimeter, breadth is 40 centimeters, and the height is 50 centimeters. And box B, which length is 50 centimeters, breadth is 50 centimeters, and height is also 50 centimeters. Okay, so here we need to find the total surface area, because any box can be made by total surface area. Okay, total surface area means area of 6 faces. You know very well, in cuboid have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges. Okay, so we find the area of 6 faces in cuboid. Each face have a rectangular face. So area of each face is L into B, maybe B into H or H into L. If you sum them, then you can find the total surface area of cuboidal box. Okay, so here in first box, this is shape of cuboidals. So first you write here for box A, length is 60 centimeter, breadth is 40 centimeter, and height is 50 centimeters. So here we write, and for box A, length, this is length given 60 centimeter, B represent to breadth, this is given 40 centimeter, and H represent to height of this bundle box 50 centimeters. Okay, so in these questions, the question asked to us, what is which box required to make lesser amount of materials. Okay, so first you find the TSA, means total surface area of these boxes, and after this you compare their TSA. Then you can take decisions which box required to make less amount of area. Okay, so for this, first you find and the total surface area of cuboidal box. Okay, so we can write here total surface area of cuboidal box, total surface area of cuboidal box is equal to what? To the total surface area of cuboidal box is equal to 2 into LB, means length into breadth, plus BH plus HL, where L represent length, B represent breadth, and H represent height of the cuboidal box. Okay, so this is a formula: 2 into BL, LB, L into breadth, length into breadth, BH, breadth into height, plus H into L. This is total surface area of cuboidal box A. Okay, total surface area you can say in short term TSA of cuboidal box. Okay, so here we put the value of length. Length is given here 60 centimeter. So first you write here 2 as it is. After this 60 into breadth is 40 centimeter, 40 plus breadth is BH, breadth is 40 centimeter into length height is 50 centimeters plus HL. H is height is given 50 centimeter, you can see here, and length is given here 60 centimeter. Clear? And this is centimeter square because this is a area. Okay. When you multiply this 60 plus 40, so this is equal to 2400. Okay, 60 into 40, this is equal to 2400 plus 40 plus 50, this is equal to 2000. Clear? Plus 50 into 60, this is equal to 3000 into centimeter square. Clear? Into centimeter square. Now, so add them 2400, 2000, 3000. If you add them, then we obtain 7400. Okay. So 2 into this becomes 2 to 4, 4 3 7, 7400 centimeter square. Clear? Now when you multiply this by 2, then we obtain the TSA of pivotal box A is equal to, this is equal to 4 to the 8, 7 to the 14, 14,800 centimeter square. Okay. So in this question you can see here, in figure the given length of pivotal box is 60 centimeter, breadth is 40 centimeters, and the height is 50 centimeters. So you know very well, in a pivotal box or in cubard have a 6 face. Each face have rectangular faces. Okay, and so in this way you can find the area of each face. If that you find total surface area of this is 6 face, so you can arrange, you can formulate the faces 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Okay, and if you put the value of length, breadth and the height in here, so you obtain the TSA of the pivotal box is 14,800. Clear? Now the next figure is given, the length, breadth and the height is 15 centimeters. Okay, so you can say the dimension of box B is equal to, length is equal to 50 centimeter, breadth is equal to also 50 centimeter, and the height is equal to 50 centimeter. So you can say this is a cubic box. Okay, so we find the TSA means total surface area of this box is equal to 6 into side square. Here you can say use this formula 2 into L plus B plus B plus H plus H plus L. Okay, so both way you can find the area of box B. Okay, so we can write here the TSA of box, cuboidal box, this is equal to 6 into length square, because you can see here this is not cuboid, this is cube. Okay, so area of TSA, total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into square of side. Okay, because you can say in cubes each face has square faces, number of faces in cube is 6. Okay, and each face is square face, so you know very well the area of square is side into side, or you can say square of side. So here in this box, this is shape of cubical box, and it has 6 faces, and the side of each side is given here 50 centimeter. You can say length, breadth or height both are same here. So you can find the area cuboidal box, or you can say cubical box. Okay, so 6 into length square of length, because L into B, this both are L are is equal to B, B are is equal to H. So L into B means L into L, L into L means L square, B into H means B is equal to L, H is also equal to B. So this is L square, this is also L square, H is equal to L. So L into L, L square. So 1L square plus 1L square plus 1L square. This is equal to 3L square. So 3L square into 2, this is equal to 6L square. So you can use this formula or this formula. You can obtain same the amount of area. Okay, so you use here 6 into side of a square. Okay, or it's of square of the cubical box. Okay, so let's see, we put here 6 into 50, because L is given here 50, this is the area, so we write here centimeter squares. Okay, now so square of 50 is 2500. Okay, so you can write here 6 into 2500 centimeter squares. Okay, 6 into 2500 meter. Okay, so if you multiply it, then we obtain what? 15,000. Okay, this is the area of cuboidal box. What is the area of cuboidal box? A box B 15,000 centimeter square. But you can see here, area total surface area of a cuboidal box A is 14,800, and you can see here the total surface area of a cuboidal box B, whose length, breadth and height both are equal 50 centimeters. So here we use this formula 6 into square of its edges. So edges is, you can say 50, because 50 are given here length, breadth and height. So with the help of this formula we find the area TSA, total surface area cuboidal box B, and we obtain here 15,000 centimeter square. If you want to find the cuboidal area of a cuboidal box B, you can use this formula 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Also, if you put the value of L, B and H 50 centimeter in each, so you obtain 15,000 centimeter square. Okay, so here if you compare this, the surface area of box A is 14,800 and the surface area of box B is 15,000. Okay, so I hope all have understood, and you are able to compare whose amount is greater, 15,800, 14,800 or 15,000. So obviously you can say 15,000 is greater than 14,800. Okay, so you can say, and the box A is required to the lesser amount material to make. Okay, box A is required to the lesser amount of material to make. Okay, because first you find the total surface area of cuboidal box A, and after this you find B, and you can see here the area of box A is 14,800 and the area of box B is 15,000 centimeter squares. If you compare them, then you can obtain the 15,000 is greater than the 14,800. So you can say the area of box A is required to make lesser amount of material. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next questions. Question number 2. Question number 2 have a suitcase with measure of 80 centimeters, 48 centimeter, and 24 centimeters. It means that The length of suitcase is 80 centimeters, breadth is 48 centimeters, and height is 24 centimeters. Okay. So here we need to cover this by tarpaulin. Okay. So how many meters of tarpaulins of width 96 centimeter required to cover 100 such a suitcase? So I repeat this question. You can see a suitcase with measures 80 centimeter, 48 centimeters, 24 centimeters is to be covered with the tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeters is required to cover 100 such suitcase? Okay. So in this case you can see here, you can see this is the suitcase in the form of cuboidal. Okay. Here length and the breadth and the height is given, but the cloth in this form of area, this is a 2D. So here the breadth of the cloth, tarpaulin cloth, is given 96 centimeters, and we need to find its length. Okay. So how you find its length? First we find the total surface area of one suitcase. After this we find total surface area of 100 suitcase. Okay. And that area of 100 suitcase is equal to area of tarpaulin cloth. Okay. So area of tarpaulin cloth is equal to length into breadth. This is clear. But breadth is given 96 centimeter. If we divide and the area of 100 suitcase, and then we find the length of tarpaulin cloth. So let's see how to solve this question. So here you can see the area of length of suitcase is 80 centimeter. This is given. Breadth of suitcase is 48 centimeter, and height of suitcase is 24 centimeter. This is given. First we find the total surface area. Here you can see area of suitcase. Okay. You can write TSA. Total surface area means TSA. TSA of a suitcase. So the surface area of suitcase. This is equal to, because this is the shape of cuboid, so you can write here 2 into L into B plus breadth into height plus height into length. Okay. Now so here 2, this into length into breadth. Length is, what is length? 80 centimeter. This is given. Okay. And the breadth, this is here given 48 centimeter. Plus B into H. B is breadth of 48 centimeter into height is 24 centimeter. Plus next HL, height is 24 centimeter into, this is a length 80 centimeter. This is the given. Now we multiply this length 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. Then we obtain here, you can see this is a 2 into 80 into 48 0, 8 into 8 64, carry 6, 8 into 4 32, this is 38. Again plus 24 into 48, you can multiply here 48 into 24, 4 8 ja 32, carry 3, 4 4 ja 16, plus 3 92. Okay. Again 8 2 ja 16, carry 1, 2 4 ja 8, 1 9. This is equal to 2 and 9 6 15 and 1 10 11. So you have obtained here 11 1152 plus next 24 into 80. So first we write here 0. After this 8 4 ja 32, carry 3, 8 2 जा 16, 16 plus 3 19. So this is equal to 24 into 80. This is centimeter square. Okay, again sum them. Okay, so here 0 plus 2 plus 0, this is equal to 2. Clear? Now 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 2 11, carry 1. After this 8 plus 1 9, 9 19, 9 carry 1. Again 3 into 1 4, 4 1 5 1. This is equal to 6. So here this is equal to centimeter square. Okay. Now if you multiply this, then we obtain 2 to the 4, 1 into 2 2, 2 into 9 18, carry 1, 6 into 2. This is equal to 12 and 13 centimeter square. This is the area of one suitcase. This is the area of one suitcase, but we have how many suitcases? 100 suitcases. So we find here area of 100 suitcases. TSA of 100 suitcases. Okay, TSA of 100 suitcase. And this is equal to 100 into 13,824 centimeter square. This is the area 100 suitcase. But we know this suitcase, this cover of suitcase obtained by the tarpaulin. Okay, so area of tarpaulin cloth is equal to area of 100 suitcase. So you can write here area of tarpaulin cloth is equal to TSA area of 100 suitcase area of 100 suitcase, because you can, in this question this is given the tarpaulin cloth, area of tarpaulin cloth is equal to area of 100 suitcase, because the cover of the suitcase is made by the tarpaulin cloth. Okay, so here we find the area of total surface area of 100 suitcase. Okay, it means that this is area of tarpaulin cloth, because the cover of the suitcase is made by tarpaulin cloth. Okay, but area of tarpaulin cloth, this is equal to length into breadth, and area of suitcase is given here. What is the area? 100 into 1, 13,824 centimeter squares. Okay, but breadth is given here. What is the breadth? Is given 96. This is equal to 100 into 13,824. Okay, breadth given here. So you can find the length. How you can find the length? If you transpose this 96 to that side. So you happen here length is equal to 100 into 13,824 divided by 96. If you 96 divide this, then we obtain 100 into 144 centimeters. Okay, or you can say this is equal to 14400 centimeter, 14,400 centimeters. This is the length of the tarpaulin cloth. Okay, if you convert this in meters, So you know very well 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If you divide it by 100, then you obtain the length of tarpaulin cloth in meters. So if you divide by 100, then you can obtain here length of tarpaulin cloth is 144 meters. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. In this question, this is given, the dimension of suitcase is given. What is the dimension of suitcase? This is given, length is equal to 80 centimeter, breadth is equal to 48 centimeters, and the height is equal to 24 centimeters. So, and the cover of suitcase made by tarpaulin cloth. So first you find the area, or you can total surface area of one suitcase. So you know very well the suitcase is in the shape of, what is the shape of suitcase? This is a cuboidal shape. So we find the total surface area of cuboidal shape suitcase, or you can say area of suitcase. This is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Here length, breadth and height, this is given 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter, 24 centimeters. Okay, you can see here, and if you put them and you multiply 80 into 48, then you obtain 3840, and the next 48 into 24, when you multiply this, we will obtain 1252 centimeter square, and this is 24 into 80 centimeter square. If you multiply this, you obtain 1920 meter square. Okay, and when we add them, then you obtain 6912 centimeter square, and this is into 2. When you multiply this, so this is equal to 13,824. 13,824 is the area of one suitcase, but we have 100 suitcase. So first you can say, if you find compare the area of tarpaulin cloth is equal to area of one suitcase, and you know very well the cloth is 2D, and you can find area of cloth is equal to length into breadth, but area of a suitcase is, you can say suitcase is the form of a cuboid, so you can use 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Okay, in this formula so you can find this total surface area of cuboidal suitcase, only you can say suitcase, but here we have area of one suitcase is 13,824. So you can write, and length, breadth of tarpaulin cloth is given 96. Breadth of tarpaulin cloth is equal to given 96. So length into breadth, this is area of tarpaulin. Okay, the cover of suitcase is made by tarpaulin cloth, so area of tarpaulin is equal to area of suitcase. Okay, so here we find the area of one suitcase is equal to 13,824 centimeter square. So L into breadth, this is length into breadth. Okay, L into B. So breadth is given 96. Then you need to find length of tarpaulin cloth. So length of tarpaulin cloth is equal to 13,824 divided by 96. When you divide 13,824 by 96, then you obtain 144 centimeters. This is the length of tarpaulin of, okay, but we have how many suitcase? This is given, we have 100 suitcase. Okay, so for 100 suitcase, we multiply, in length is multiplied by 100. So 100 into 100, 144, then we obtain 14,400. The length of tarpaulin cloth is equal to 14,400. Okay, centimeters. But if you convert it in meters, so you know very well the 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. When you divide 14,400 by 100, so it becomes centimeter to meters. Okay, so if you divide the 14,400 by 100, we obtain 144 meters. Okay, so this is the first way, and this is second way. If you obtain here area of one suitcase, also you can multiply, find the area of 100 suitcase if you multiply the 100. And the next step is area of tarpaulin cloth is equal to area of 100 suitcase. Okay, so here you can see, but area of tarpaulin is equal to L into B. You can very well, this is a two-dimensional shape. Cloth is two-dimensional, but the suitcase is three-dimensional, so we use this formula. And for this you use length into breadth. Breadth of the tarpaulin cloth is given 96 centimeter. So in this way you find the length of tarpaulin cloth is 144 meters. So student, I hope all have understood these questions, and this is enough for today. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.